Okay, hello, it's Mike with Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. I'm back out here, and I'm right where my partner in that vicinity, that he dug that Montesano High School class ring at 1922. I've dug two vintage gold rings right in this area. This must have been a swimming dock or something 80 years ago or 60 years ago. But look what I just pulled up. I'm going real slow, and I just got me a really nice old earring, and it was coming up 1718. So, I'm curious to see. There's no way that could be real. If that's a real 1 carat diamond, I'll lose my mind. But I got the diamond tester at home. But this is a spectacular find. In my favorite swimming hole, it just keeps giving me treasures. I love it out here. This is where I find my peace of mind and my solitude. All right, let's keep scooping. This is Mike with Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. And I came back. We got a gold class ring yesterday, and look what just popped up in the scoop. I dumped it into the float. I don't know if you can see it, but that looks gold, baby, to me. Oh my goodness. I just got a gold band. Oh, I got all the machines hanging on me. A ring in the scoop. Oh, man. And this is so awesome. Let me get my shovel here. Came in at a solid 11-12. All right, let me get the loop on it, and I'll be right back. Tell you if it's 10K or 14K. Ring in the scoop, yeah! Here at my favorite fishing hole. This is Mike with Rainy Day. I'm back. 10K, and you can tell it's gold, baby. I'll get pictures of it later. It's a little worn inside, and but it's definitely 10K. Yeah. All right, baby. All right, time to go home, get some dinner. I love this hobby. I love this equinox.